This weekend, let's make some beautiful music together. Well, maybe we'll just go and listen to some beautiful music. Let's go. Book Talk Journals, we've got them, and you should check them out. Get in and challenge yourself to read more. Hello, Localtarians. Welcome back. We are here for April 22nd, 23rd, and 24th. That's your Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And we've got so much going on. Lots of great music and happenings all over the place this weekend. And we're going to share it with you guys. So let's get out there and have some fun. Find a great band to listen to and listen to some beautiful music together. All right, guys. Friday. All right, guys. So all the way until May 1st, this will be going on. It's your 24th annual Outshine LGBTQ plus Film Festival. All right, and it is online, so internationally acclaimed as one of the largest LGBTQ plus cultural festivals in the world. Outshine does return for its 24th edition to unite the community. If you want to get tickets and find out more about where you can see this, go to www.outshinefilm.com. We'll put that link down in the description as well. So check it out. All right, guys, 10 a.m. Ascendance Spring 2022 BFA Exhibition at UCF Art Gallery, and it's free. It's also available online. So if you want to go out and see it in person, or if you want to see it online, go down in the description to get that link so that you can check it out. It'll be going on Mondays through Fridays till April 28th. 2 p.m. Giuseppe Verdi's Rigoletto, an opera in 3 acts at Dr. Phillips Center for the Performing Arts. All right, opera's making its appearance out here in Orlando. We're seeing more and more operatic shows, so if that's your jam, get out there and check it out. 3:30 p.m. Glass Slipper Mosaic Workshop with Deborah Major. And of course, that's going to be at Luna Mosaic Arts. And if I mispronounced that, it might have been Deborah Mager. I apologize. But either way, get out there to Luna Mosaic Arts. I think you guys are going to have a great time learning this beautiful craft. 5 p.m. on Friday, 98 Rock Fest with Godsmack, 3 Days Grace, Black Veil Brides, Motionless in White, plus Ice 9 Kills online. So if you want to check that out, make sure that you drop it to the links that are in the description to see where you can enjoy this. 6 p.m. Earth Day with Wicked Weed at the Brass Tap. 7 p.m. Oklahoma Stackhouse, Cat Ridgway, and the Tourists. Gary Laser Eyes at Tuffy's Music Box. $15 and up will get you into this amazing show. I love all of these bands. I've definitely had Cat at a show, and I have definitely had a show with Gary Laser Eyes. They are amazing, guys. Get out there, enjoy them. Do not miss out on this show. You will regret it. It's beautiful. So come on out and support local music. 7 p.m. on Friday, Danny Attack, So Impossible, Brian Raymond, all at Dirty Laundry for just $5. 8 p.m. Sea Rock City at Mad Cow Theater. $30 and up will get you into this, going Thursdays through Saturdays. And of course, at 8 p.m. and then Sundays at 3 p.m. going on until April 24th. And fun-filled fact, I'm actually from Chattanooga, Tennessee originally, and that is what the old Sea Rock City signs that people used to see, or birdhouses. And of course, that refers to Lookout Mountain. There's a place called Rock City up there. If you've never been, you should check it out. 9 p.m. on Friday, Two Friends, Leonidas, Venice, Saws Move at the Vanguard. $24.99 and up to come in and jam to your heart's content on this amazing lineup of musicians. All right, guys, you know what time it is. It is time for the heat of the weekend. Let's heat it up. We're ready for Saturday. 8 a.m. Puppy Potty at Museum of Illusions, Orlando. That's out at Icon Park, everybody. It's $29.99 to come out and support these puppies. 8 a.m. Record Store Day 2022 at Park Avenue CDs. This free event is always a win every year. Get there early to get in the line. There's always a huge line of people waiting to enjoy Record Store Days, so come on out. 9 a.m. Art and Stroll, Caladiums, Canvases and Coffee at Nerling Gardens in Gotha. $25 to $35 to enjoy this artistic event. So come on out and support our local artists. 10 a.m. on Saturday, 17th Annual Central Florida Earth Day at East Lawn at Lake Eola. And it's free. Guys, there's going to be so much going on out there. Come out, learn the best way to celebrate your Earth Day. Maybe get a plant. Maybe find some things to plant. Maybe learn about the environment. But get out to Lake Eola and have a great time. 10 a.m. Dog Fest Orlando at Central Park in Winter Park. This free event is a great time to bring your favorite pooch out to have a lot of fun and to see all the amazing vendors. So come on out, check it out, and enjoy a great day in the park with your pooch. 10:30 a.m. WJRR's Earth Day Birthday 28. Can you believe it? And this year's Earth Day Birthday is featuring Godsmack, 3 Days Grace, Black Veil Brides, and Motionless in White at Central Florida Fairgrounds. $30 and up. For those of you that are interested, you can go on to WJRR's website and find out more information on also seeing this show online. 6 p.m. on Saturday, Day of the Dead, Eye Candy Parties Weekend at Secrets Hideaway Resort and Spa in Kissimmee. 7 p.m. Metal Goddess Show at Haven Lounge. Come on out and celebrate these metal goddesses and enjoy some amazing music. 8 p.m. Ska Spring Break at West End Trading Company. If you love ska, I love me some ska for sure. Make sure you get out there and enjoy this amazing music and let them know that Local Love sent you their way. 9 p.m. on Saturday, Grow Up, ORL. Danny Grooves plus Feel at the Geek Easy. All right, guys, come on out and enjoy a geeky-filled weekend. Lots of fun stuff, lots of great things to do in that joint. But that music, though. So come on out and check it out for yourself and end off your Saturday with a bang. What's that? You're not done? Well, I hope not. There's lots of other things to do. Maybe you didn't find the one that you really liked. That's no problem at all. Come on over to our Local Love Orlando Entertainment Facebook page. We have full event posts for the whole day, including online events, on the top of our page every single day. We pin it right to the top of our feed, so make sure that you pop in there and check it out. We actually print it up the day before, about 2 p.m., so that you guys can get a jump start on what you want to do for the next day. So check it out and let us know what you think about our events and our list. And if you have any events, make sure that you don't forget to let us know at locallovenow@yahoo.com. All right, let's get back to the events and let's head into some 10 a.m. on Sunday, 60th Annual Apopka Art and Foliage Festival going on at Kitland Nelson Park. This free event is going to be full of amazing plants and a lot of your favorite local artists. So make sure you check it out. Lots of amazing vendors to enjoy. 10 a.m. on Sunday, Orlando Record and CD Show at Central Florida Fairgrounds. Come on out and grab your favorite vinyls or CDs and enjoy a fun-filled day of rifling through some of your old favorites. It'll definitely be a little memory lane going on, so make sure you check it out and get out there early so that the best ones aren't already gone. 12 p.m. Royal Boil Crawfish and Music Festival at Celery City Craft in Sanford. It's free up to $225 for this amazing event. Lots of stuff going on, lots of options. So make sure you get out there and get your crawfish on. 1 p.m. Winter Park Paint Out at Albin Polisac Museum and Sculpture Garden. Get out and support art because that's what life's about. It's a beautiful time to see the artists getting their painting on. So make sure you come and enjoy this special event. 1 p.m. Streets of New Campina, Sunday to HG pre-release at Campus Cards and Games 2. Come on out for this great pre-release and get your cards and enjoy a fun-filled day of gaming. 2 p.m. on Sunday, Fair of the Dog at Will's Pub. This always amazing but also always free event is going to have lots of local vendors, including homemade goods, vintage shops, art, records, crafts, food, and of course, drinks. So lots and lots going on. You definitely want to get out there and get your fill of this amazing event. All right, guys, also at 2 p.m., Southern Fried Sanford at Tuffy's Music Box, $10. Come on out, enjoy the amazing vendors and, of course, amazing music. And get out there and show them how it's done, Sanford. 4 p.m., Orlando by Night, April Cam/Anarch Vampire LARP game going on at the Geek Easy. So come on out and make your LARPing dreams come true. 8 p.m. Bonnie and Clyde at Theater West End. $33 and up. Thursdays through Sundays till May 8th. Come on out and support local theater, everybody. And last but not least, for your Sunday night, Playwrights Roundtable presents premiere series, The B is for Bullshit at Central Florida Community Arts. $20 will get you in Fridays through Sundays going on until May 1st, so make sure you don't miss it. All right, guys, and as always, this is how you can reach us. Drop us a comment down below if you have anything you want to tell us. And don't forget, guys, to let us know if you have events going on, or if you want to see more events, go over to our local Love Orlando Entertainment page. And we can't wait to see you next time. Peace.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends.
And hit that bell so you know when we have a new video.